Okay. Let me grab my sandwich. All right. Got my sandwich. Let's do this. Let's see what else they got here. The burro. That's boba. Lucky House, Mexican food. Lucky House is Chinese. Midtown Market. Wonder if they do sandwiches too. Nana's Kitchen. That's Chinese food as well. This looks all residential. Madhouse Coffee. And let me tell you, these are some expensive houses for sure. Yeah, I don't really feel like going up the hill. I think that's about it, actually. Let me turn around. I saw there was a public library. So I mean, you got your basics, right? You got Mexican food, Chinese food, sandwiches. Yeah, it's all residential other than this. So you got a couple little markets. And I guess if you want to go to a supermarket, oh, look at this nice mural right here. That's pretty cool. Couple of two-wheel friends. Nice bike. All right. This was Midtown Market. That's about it. Eagles. What is that? What's Eagles? Anyway. Alright. Oh, there's pizza. Mamma Mia pizza too. Alright. I guess I'm heading back to work. Short but sweet. Post office. I've had to go there a couple times. Now hiring. Got a little skate park here. Some courts, basketball courts. So pretty much residential and industrial. And I think there's like a food truck that's always over there, back there towards Bayshore. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video of me getting lunch, and I hope you guys had a great lunch too, wherever you are. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Whenever that might be. So again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for joining me. I just figured I just want to take you guys to lunch. Just show you my workplace lunch spots. That's like the closest thing nearby. If you want anything else, you're gonna have to go to South San Francisco or to the city, San Francisco, which is that way. Alright guys, thanks again. See ya. Later, Gators. Stay hungry.